I've been waiting for something like this for a long time. I've been a fighting game enthusiast since Street Fighter 4 dropped and helped to revitalize the fighting game scene. God, I was an 09er. That was 15 years ago. Mold. Anyway, I quickly realized controller wasn't for me given my large hands and transitioned over to arcade stick, which was much more enjoyable. And considering that the market has been abundant in options, that's how I got where I am today. Being the proud owner of a small collection of awesome peripherals, and now thanks to Thermoset Designs, I finally have a sleek and most importantly convenient way to display them. Let's take a look. At just under $20, the stick stand is a very affordable solution to a niche problem that has aggravated me for a while now. Before this, my arcade sticks were either propped up by all methods of janky ingenuity or just flat. This resulted in a lackluster display of some very amazing looking products. Also a lot of aggravation for me when trying to find ways to securely prop them up for photo and video shoots. So when I came across these on Etsy, it was a no-brainer. It's 3D printed from polylactic acid or PLA filament, which is a standard in the 3D printing space. As a result, it's extremely lightweight at 210 grams. Don't let that fool you though. This thing lifts. As you can see, it easily holds up every stick securely, whether it's my light Hori Real Arcade Pro Hayabusa or my heavy hitters, the Victrix Chun-Li edition and the Mad Catz Versus. Now there was a bit of a small issue where out of the 6 I ordered, one of them arrived with the inner seam separated. This could have happened in shipping, but they did all look to be packaged very well. Impressively though, this didn't affect the stand's performance and it's been holding up my Versus stick for the past month. Regardless, I reached out to Thermoset to let them know, and not only did they offer to send out a replacement for the unit, but also let me know they were working on an updated version that would be a little better, stronger, and asked if I'd like to check it out. Keep in mind, at this point, to them, I'm just a regular customer. They didn't know I was gonna make a video. They just asked for some feedback on it in return, so I applaud the excellent customer service. After giving my feedback on the updated version, I then let them know I was gonna make a video on the original and asked if they would like me to mention it in this one, since it's still an unreleased product. They were cool with it. Initial thoughts are, it performs just as well as the original, while also looking more intricate from an aesthetic standpoint. These do seem to have functional purpose though. My guess is to better distribute the potential stress across the seams and corners of the stand, so to prevent what happened before from happening again, or to at least lessen it. As of the making of this video, a price hasn't been mentioned, but the site has been updated with the original now being referred to as version 1.0, so it could be soon. I'll list it in the description when it has, and also feel free to follow me on Instagram or Twitter to be updated there as well. Lastly, these are very customizable, being offered in a vast selection of colors and the option to add a custom nameplate on the front. These also come in a mini option for slim hitboxes and keyboards, as well as a wall mount version for those of you running low on shelf space. If you're a content creator or a reviewer looking for an easy way to prop a stick or keyboard up for a shoot, or an enthusiast just looking for a better way to display their collection, this is an easy recommendation. Overall, I'm very impressed with the stick stand and look forward to seeing where this goes in the future. Now that these exist, there'll be improvements, competition, which means even more options, and who knows, at some point we might even get a CNC'd aluminum version. Why would anyone need that, you might ask? Ugh. Why not? The sky's the limit. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you found this helpful. Affiliate links to all the products mentioned are in the description. and help the channel out at no extra cost to you. Feel free to like, dislike, comment, and subscribe. Type0 Tech is shutting it down, and I hope you have the day you deserve. Stay blessed.